For this segment of gifts to make, we're going to make a spice tea mix. And for this, we will need Tang instant tea mix, lemonade mix, sugar, cinnamon, cloves, and allspice. You'll also need a bowl to mix it in, measuring cups, and measuring spoons. The first thing I've done is to measure out 2 cups of Tang, 3/4 of a cup of instant tea, and a cup of lemonade mix, and I'm going to put that in the bowl first, and then I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, and a 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. Now that you've got all the ingredients together in the bowl, you need to mix it well. Now for gift giving, I would probably utilize the pint jar or the 1/2 pint jar. If you're gonna just use it for, personal use, this recipe would more than likely fit in the quart jar for storage. So I'm gonna put some of the mix in the 1/2 pint jar. So I've put the mix in the 1/2 pint jar, as you can see there, and I've put a little Christmas cloth on the top of it. Depending on what you're wanting to give the gift for, is how you would decorate the top. You can do it fall or Christmas. So it filled up 1/2 pint jar and a quart jar, and there's just a little bit left over in the bowl, so this would make roughly probably 5 to 6 jars that you could give away. And for serving purposes, you use 2 to 3 tablespoons per cup of hot water for serving, and that's of course to taste. And this is a great gift for the cool fall and winter nights ahead.